Hello friends! In this video, we will talk about ants and climate change. So please watch the video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Let's start the video. Ants are an incredibly diverse group of insects that play an essential role in the ecosystem. They are social creatures that live in organized colonies and perform various functions, such as collecting food, caring for the young, and defending the colony. However, ants are also sensitive to changes in their environment, including changes in temperature, rainfall patterns, and habitat loss. In recent years, climate change has emerged as a significant threat to ant populations worldwide. Now we will explore the impact of climate change on ants and their ecosystem, including the effects on their behavior, distribution, and interactions with other species. The impact of temperature on ant behavior. Ants are ectothermic creatures, meaning their body temperature is regulated by the environment. Temperature plays a critical role in ant behavior, affecting their foraging patterns, social interactions, and reproduction. As temperatures increase due to climate change, behavior is likely to change significantly. For example, warmer temperatures may increase the rate of ant reproduction, resulting in larger colonies. However, higher temperatures may also lead to reduced foraging activity and increased competition for resources. Changes in precipitation patterns. Climate change is also likely to alter precipitation patterns, with some regions experiencing more frequent and severe droughts, while others experience increased rainfall. These changes in precipitation patterns will have a significant impact on ant populations. Ants rely on water to survive, and droughts can be particularly devastating for colonies. Reduced rainfall may lead to the death of the queen and other members of the colony, ultimately leading to the collapse of the entire colony. The impact of habitat loss. Climate change is causing habitat loss across the globe, with many species struggling to adapt to the changing environment. Ants are no exception, with many species losing their natural habitats due to rising temperatures and other environmental factors. Habitat loss can be particularly problematic for ants, as they rely on specific microhabitats to survive. For example, some species of ants are dependent on certain plant species for food and shelter. As these plant species disappear, so too do the ants that rely on them. The effect of rising sea levels. Rising sea levels are another significant consequence of climate change that will impact ant populations. As sea levels rise, many coastal habitats will be inundated, leading to the loss of critical habitats. For example, mangrove forests are essential habitats for many species of ants, but rising sea levels are causing these habitats to disappear at an alarming rate. The impact of invasive species. Climate change is also likely to increase the number of invasive species in many regions. Invasive species can have a significant impact on ant populations, as they often outcompete native species for resources. For example, the Argentine ant, Linepithema humile, is an invasive species that has been introduced to many regions worldwide, often leading to the displacement of native ant species. The role of ants in the ecosystem. Ants play an essential role in the ecosystem, performing many critical functions, such as seed dispersal, nutrient cycling, and pest control. As ant populations decline due to climate change, the ecological consequences could be severe. For example, the loss of ant-mediated seed dispersal could lead to a reduction in plant diversity, which, in turn, could impact the entire ecosystem. The impact of climate change on ant diversity. Ants are incredibly diverse, with over 13,000 known species worldwide. However, many species of ants are threatened by climate change, particularly those that are adapted to specific microhabitats. As temperatures rise, many species will be forced to migrate to cooler regions, while others may become extinct. This loss of ant diversity could have significant consequences for the entire ecosystem, as different ant species play different roles in the ecosystem. Hope so you will understand the impact of climate change on ants. Thanks for watching this content. If you like my content, then press like button. And subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.